In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bugs in Jira and add labels to those issues. Whether you're a developer, a QA tester, or a project manager, handling bugs efficiently is crucial in software development, and Jira offers robust tools to help with this process. So let's dive in and see how you can streamline your bug tracking workflow. First, let's head over to the specific project where you want to report your bug. This ensures that the issue is logged in the correct context and can be easily tracked by your team. Once you're in the right project, look to the top navigation bar where you'll find a button labeled Create. Go ahead and click that button to begin creating a new issue. Now as the window pops up, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Issue Type. Here is where you'll specify that this particular issue is a bug. Select Bug from the drop-down to ensure it's categorized correctly. Proper categorization is not just a formality, it helps the whole team prioritize and manage work effectively. Next, fill in all the essential details. Starting with the summary field, you'll want to provide a concise and descriptive title for your bug. This is like a headline. It should quickly convey what the issue is about. The goal is to make it clear at a glance without overloading it with details. Following that, there's the description section, which is where you'll dive into the specifics. Here, explain the bug in detail. You'll want to include steps on how to reproduce the issue, the behavior you expected versus what actually happened, and any other relevant context that might help someone understand the situation better. The more context you provide, the easier it will be for your team to address the issue effectively. Moving on, there are other fields you might need to fill out, such as severity to indicate the urgency, priority to express how soon it needs attention, affected versions to note what versions of the software are influenced by this bug, and components if it's limited to a specific section of the program. Once all that information is entered, click the Create button to save your bug issue. Now with the bug issue created, let's talk about labels. Labels can be incredibly useful for organizing and filtering issues later on. To add labels, click on the bug issue you just created to open it in detail. Locate the labels field on the issue's details page. You can simply type your labels here, using spaces to separate them. Labels act as tags and they help in grouping, searching and filtering issues. If you're not sure what labels exist, don't worry. Jira's autocomplete feature allows you to see and select from existing labels. And there you have it. Creating bugs and adding labels in Jira helps keep your project organized and facilitates efficient tracking and resolution of issues. Thanks for watching and happy bug hunting.